Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stripe for marketing budget management easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in www.stripe.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will now be directed to the login page. Enter the email address associated with your Stripe account in the designated field. Next, type your password into the provided password field. If your login details are correct, click on the login button to access your account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if needed. After logging in, you will see your Stripe dashboard. From here, navigate to the Settings section located at the bottom left of the dashboard. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Billing or Financial Settings. Click on this option to manage your marketing budget more effectively. Review your current budget allocations and make necessary adjustments. To add new budget categories, look for the Add Category button. Fill in the required information for each new category you wish to create. You can now monitor your spending and manage your marketing budget with ease. Feel free to explore other features that Stripe offers for better financial management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.